Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger and servant and prophet Muhammad, and upon his family members and companions, and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, today's topic is what is our duty towards the Holy Quran? What is our responsibility towards the Holy Quran? Yes, we have to understand our responsibility towards the Holy Quran. First of all, I'm going to recite a verse from the Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم كتاب أنزلناه إليك مبارك ليدبروا آياته وليتذكر أولو الألباب. A blessed book which we have revealed to you, that they might reflect upon its verses, and that those of understanding would be reminded. Our duty is towards the Holy Quran to reflect upon its verses. Our first duty is to understand the Holy Quran directly, perfectly, and profoundly, deeply. Then we have to reflect upon its verses. But there is another question. How can be possible to reflect upon its verses without understanding the meaning of the Holy Quran, without understanding the language of the Holy Quran? It is impossible to understand the meaning of Holy Quran without learning the language of the Holy Quran. We don't pay attention to understand the Holy Quran. Just we think that it is enough for me to recite the Holy Quran without understanding the meaning of the Holy Quran. Yes, if you recite the Holy Quran without understanding the meaning of the Holy Quran, then you will get thawab, then you will get benefit from your recitation, but it is not enough for you. It is not your duty. It is not your principal duty. Our principal duty is towards the Holy Quran. There is two duties we have. One of them, we have to reflect upon its verses. After understanding the meaning of the Holy Quran, then we have to implement that knowledge, that wisdom, that lessons in our daily life. But if you think that, okay, I'll understand the Holy Quran within translated copy, within any translation. My dear brothers and sisters, you have to remember that Quran is not ordinary book. Quran is very, very special book. It is not ordinary book like other books. Quran has manifested miraculously. It has miraculous meaning. It has miraculous criteria, and it is quite impossible to transfer this miraculous meaning into another language. It is quite impossible to transfer the meaning of the Quran into another language. So, if you study the Holy Quran in any translated copy, then you won't be able to get that miraculous power, that miraculous deep wisdom from that copy. So you have to connect with the Quran directly. So you have to learn the language of the Quran, and I think it is very easy. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also has said, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We have made this Quran very, very easy to understand, to recite, to study, to reflect. So, Allah has made this Quran very easy to recite, easy to understand. So, this language also very easy. And I think it is Arabic language that is not very, very complicated language. It is very interesting language. But what is the problem? The problem is we love the Holy Quran. Every Muslim loves the Holy Quran, but we don't put the Holy Quran in our first priority in our life. That's why we can't be able to learn the language of the Quran. So, if you love the Holy Quran, you have to put it in your first priority as a guidance of your life. How can you read something, you recite something, but you can't understand what you are reciting, what you are reading? So, but you are taking this book as a guidance for your life. So how can it will be possible to take something as a guidance for my life and I can't understand the language of that book? We have two duties towards the Quran. One of them, we have to understand the meaning of the Quran directly, correctly, profoundly. Another duty is after understanding the meaning of the Holy Quran, we have to implement that wisdom and that knowledge, that lessons in our daily life. That's our duty towards the Holy Quran. So, try to learn the language of the Holy Quran, and Allah will help you. If you put the Holy Quran first priority in your life, then Allah will make easy for you to learn the language of the Quran, and Allah will make easy to understand the meaning of the Holy Quran. Thank you very much.